doesn't make a sound. No sonic boom. No bright flare. Just a shape in the sky, silent, watchful, and deadly. This is the MQ-9 Ghost Reaper, the U.S. Air Force's most advanced drone, and the weapon that could define the next generation of warfare. While fighter jets and hypersonic missiles grab headlines, this silent predator is already rewriting the rules of conflict. So what makes it so dangerous? Let's break it down. The MQ-9 Reaper is a well-known name in drone warfare, but the Ghost variant, that's a newer developed by General Atomics and deployed by the U.S. Air Force in Special Operations. This unmanned aerial vehicle isn't just about surveillance. It's designed to strike without warning and can carry multiple Hellfire missiles, laser-guided bombs, and sensors that can identify a single target in a crowded city. It flies at over 50,000 feet, stays airborne for over 30 hours. The Ghost variant adds stealth coatings, radar-absorbent materials, and low-noise propellers, making it almost invisible on enemy radar. It doesn't replace fighter jets. It redefines what air dominance means. So, how does it operate? The Ghost Reaper is flown remotely by trained pilots at places like Kreitz Air Force Base in Nevada, even if the drone itself is flying over a battlefield halfway around the world. But here's the twist. It's powered by AI-assisted systems, enabling it to track vehicles, detect heat signatures, identify threats, and calculate strike windows faster than any human can. And it's not just reactive. Ghost Reaper is now being integrated into Project Maven and other Pentagon-backed AI initiatives, meaning it learns from every mission. That's right, it gets smarter over time. This drone doesn't just follow orders. It anticipates them. But beyond the tech specs, there's a deeper story. The Ghost Reaper isn't just a weapon, it's a psychological tool. Think about it. Or when the missile is already on its way, a silent machine that hovers overhead for days, unseen by radar, ready to strike at any moment? It creates fear, confusion, and hesitation in the enemy's mind. In counterterrorism operations, the Ghost Reaper has been deployed to monitor high-value targets for weeks, then execute precision strikes when the window opens. It creates what military analysts call a constant presence effect, meaning enemies never know when they are being watched. So, what does this mean for the future of war? Traditional warfare involved boots on the ground, tanks, jets, and weeks of deployment. Now, a single drone with AI and stealth can disable an enemy base, eliminate a convoy, or surveil an entire region, all without risking a single pilot. And this isn't science fiction. These drones are already being deployed in the Middle East and Eastern Europe, silently gathering intel and occasionally striking before anyone realizes what's happening. The U.S. Air Force calls it dominant ISR intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, and it's becoming the backbone of modern strategy. As drone swarms, autonomous strike networks, and AI targeting systems advance, the Ghost Reaper is just the beginning. So the next time you hear nothing, that might be the sound of a new kind of weapon. No pilot, no warning, no mercy, just a target and silence. The Ghost Reaper isn't the future. It's already here, and it's not asking for permission. When you can't hear it, it's already too late.